It's not about making $1 million that defines a millionaire mindset. It's not even about your bank account, real estate, financial security, or living in a penthouse in Manhattan. According to individuals who swear by it, having a millionaire mindset involves concentrating on altering your life, beginning with your perspective, in order to achieve the objectives you've always wished to realize. It's also not a simple task. Every day, you must develop purposeful habits and ways of thinking. If you want to achieve your goals, you start by behaving as if you already have. In that space, your success fuels more success. What actions may you take to build a millionaire mindset?
Welcome to Genuus.
Here are 10 millionaire mindset behaviors you can adopt. 1. Focus on your goals. How are you meant to accomplish your goals if they are not on your mind? Your objectives could be to achieve financial success, better health, a specific professional path, or any other ambition. Develop the habit of thinking about your goals. It takes 66 days on average to develop a habit. Once you've decided on your objectives, put them in writing and place them in a visible place. Even on the hardest times, they'll be there to remind you of why you're working so hard. 2. Get comfortable with always learning. Remember that there is always something new to learn and start afresh in the world. It may be necessary to adjust your strategies while pursuing your goals. Adapting to changes can help you recognize ineffective practices. Celebrate the acquisition of new skills, regardless of their size, and take pride in your progress. 3. Put yourself out there. By staying inside your home and avoiding social interaction, you cannot accomplish your goals. It's crucial to network and pay attention to your presentation. You must project confidence and enthusiasm when practicing a business pitch. People notice and remember those who speak about their objectives in a bold, passionate, and daring manner. You can meet others who are motivated by the same things you are by networking. Forming friends at work also transforms co-workers into peers, boosting worker engagement. 4. Be patient. It can be frustrating to feel like you're hustling without being rewarded, but don't let this deter you from focusing on what you want in life. You can't change your life in a week. It's okay if you don't meet your personal development goals when you'd hope. Good things take time, so don't assume they'll never happen simply because they don't always happen when you want them to. If you're liking the video so far, please show your support and hit that like button. 5. Accept mistakes as they come. You must make mistakes in order to develop and learn. You should view mistakes as learning opportunities rather than as something to avoid at all costs. Remember that there's a difference between sloppy mistakes, avoid these, and plans that don't work out but give you more information and insight to try a new tactic. Failures provide an opportunity to grow as a team and as a person and are a terrific approach to acquire new ability. Instead of obsessing on your mistakes, consider them, accept them, and learn from them as you develop. 6. Don't forget about sleep. We must get enough sleep in order to perform at our best. Even though we all have hectic days, getting enough sleep benefits both our bodies and minds. When our to-do list is long, it can be easy to stay up late and work too hard, but this is unsustainable. Even when you think an extra hour of work will get you closer to your goals, it will likely further exhaust you and harm productivity. Next time this happens, make the mindful choice of sleep. A well-rested body and mind will make you more motivated and ready to start your day. 7. Keep growth in mind. Professional and personal growth is inevitable as you're working towards your goals. Keeping a growth mindset during your journey to success is crucial to remind you of your beginning. If your goals are long-term, take the time and review your progress. Not only will you feel a sense of accomplishment, but you'll be more motivated too. If you're ever discouraged, dividing your goals into several tasks can make your progress feel more tangible. Growth doesn't come overnight and without hard work, which you've done. Thinking about your growth will give you a sense of pride that you should cherish. 8. Stop making excuses for yourself. Making excuses will prevent you from moving forward and reaching your objectives. Do you have any difficulties? Check out some tried and true techniques for fixing problems. Instead of criticizing or blaming external causes for your failures, try to find solutions. Work with a trusted coach or mentor to understand what is holding you back or causing an issue. Focus on making behavior changes to create change for yourself. Whether that means asking for help, changing your approach, or even taking a break. Remember that the worst thing you can do is let your excuses consume you. 9. Learn to invest. When it comes to financial success, the secret of the millionaire's mind is simple. Don't lose money. Take your future seriously by prioritizing your financial wellness and setting financial goals that focus on investing over spending. You need to take financial risks like laying out capital. Feel confident the expense will bring returns. Do your research and work closely with successful business people, heeding their advice. 10. Adopt a now mentality. While patience is indeed a virtue, one of the habits of wealthy people is jumping at new opportunities. While some of these will mean temporary financial losses, there will also be fewer revenue-based opportunities, such as speaking at events and volunteering to help a startup. The more experience you have and the more connected you are, the greater your chances of developing personally and professionally. Developing a millionaire mindset isn't an overnight process. It involves vision, passion, and an incredible amount of hard work. Have patience and foresight, and know that any setbacks are normal and offer a learning experience. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Please leave your comments and let me know what you think. Kindly give this video a like and subscribe. I wish you a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next video.